As a huge food nerd, one of my favorite activities to do while camping is cook random stuff in a pie iron. The more ridiculous, the better, because as we all know, calories consumed in the woods don't count. I like to call this activity Pie Iron Chef. Now we all know that real crunch wraps are made with some sort of beef-like filling, but I have been looking for an excuse to use these homegrown mushrooms that I put on the smoker, so I'm going to use those. Feel free to use the protein of your choice. First thing I need to do is rehydrate those bad boys. In retrospect, probably should have done that before heading to camp because it took quite a while. Might as well throw in a little onion and jalapeno from the garden too. I believe I put in here some cumin and cayenne and New Mexico chili powder, ancho, probably some garlic powder, onion powder. Want to make these a little more filling with some refried beans, and we're going to need oil to get them crispy on the outside. Once the mushrooms were softened up but still had a little chewy to them, I drained off the excess water and put in our chopped veggies. Oh yeah, I love this pan. God, I hope this works.
On the underneath, get a little crisp out.
Yeah. One blob.
Just one.
One blob.
You think it's more like a paste spread?
Yeah. Cheers.
Yeah, look at, you got the crunch wrap technique. You've got like the fold.
Tuck these daddies in there.
This is our first time actually being up here, so
Yeah.
that's probably a single fish, not even like a tadpole or anything.
Yeah, I guess
It's kind of cold.
also because there's been no rain, you know.
That's true.
The streams are so low.
You
Are
can
y'all
taste
camping
the
out?
Yeah,
Nice.
yeah.
Yeah.
Car camping it.
It does seem like a little nice area, just, you know.
It's great, new fires, so.
Yeah, so fire, you
Yeah.
know.
No, I got you. Yeah, just figure out how to ask, because, you know, it's our first time coming up, so.
Yeah.
Alright.
Of course, we're going to need a beverage with our meal. Lately, I've been making this thing that's like if you took a michelada and a mangonada and you put them together. You start with a good smear of chamoy on the rim. I use homemade, but of course you use the bottle stuff. Then a healthy dab of tahini around the rim.
Are you having ice in your michelada?
Yeah. That's actually Nashville hot Bloody Mary mix. The only thing I wish I had was some limes.
Get out of here.
amazing. He's gonna foam up like a mad dog, but cheers. Or you can just skip all that and buy it in a can, but where's the fun in that? Oh, it's falling apart. After dinner, I got some toddies going and put together a sweet version of the Crunchwraps. For the reveal.
Big reveal. Oh, it smells delicious. Like a little crust on it. Oh my. Damn. There you go.
You're just
It
gonna
doesn't
score
spill
it.
out, huh? Like this.
Yeah, that's pretty melty good.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a good marshmallow pull.
Ooh.
Oh yeah. Oh. The graham cracker gets soft though.
Mm-hmm. That's okay.
Well, after 3 Crunchwraps and a couple toddies, I am ready for a nighty-night. Stay tuned for next time when I show you some gizmos I got to make this trip go a little easier.